We are on our way to the Sunday farmers market. I am excited. We'll see if we can get maybe some kombucha and some booch, maybe some mushrooms.
Fashionista.
Yeah, look at her.
It's like a tradition. Lily always needs to get a croissant.
Nice. You don't like these? The lion's mane? You want to get one of lion's mane and one of I'm thinking lion's mane then. Could we get one lion's mane, please?
Armado's tossing sauce, so everything's infused with the flavoring, so you can just use olive oil or butter. You don't necessarily need a sauce to flavor it. And whatever the name of the flavor is what's used in the pasta. Oh my gosh. Thank you.
You're tired?
Yeah.
But you're it. Oh no! You better run. It is lunchtime. We got some pasta at the farmer's market, so I'm gonna go ahead and chop and saute up some onions and tomatoes. Make this here pasta. Looks delicious. Lily, you want to show me what Uncle Jeremy just got you? Whoa, it's massive. You like it?
Why is it giant?
It's really big. So we're working on putting up wallpaper right now. I need to go ahead and get a tool from the shed so I can make sure my lines are looking crisp. Hi Nugget. Hello silly chicken. You wanna hand me the tape measure? Thank you, sweetheart.
Okay, well, I found it, so.
You wanna hand me the tape measure? Thank
She
you.
literally was like, Dada wants the tape measure. And I was like, well, where is it? And she was like, I don't know, Astada. Interior. Little interior.
You're a great interior designer. Look at you. Once we get the rest of it up, it'll look great.
And like some art.
Mm-hmm. To fill up this wall over here.
Yeah.
The snake lamp is dope, but it needs more.
I just think it needs a chair. And then like a credenza.
Agreed. But this is great. Those are great too.